this new machine. Okay, refrigerant, electronic refrigerant skill. Okay. This total 6 kilo. Okay, from here out, input, and then output center. Okay, center in the gauge. Okay, this vacuum from here going to there, and then input this gas. Okay guys, after big vacuum finish, going direct, this spreads 50 grams. Okay, kalas already 50 grams finish. Okay guys,